Hello, welcome to Vanshika Higher Academy. This is the chapter number 32 of Tamil Nadu Board History 12th class. Growth of Asian nation China and Japan. Learning objective. The rise of modern China, the emergence of People's Republic of China, the rise of modern Japan, growth of the rise of modern Japan, growth of Japan as an economic giant. Rise of modern China. Asia is generally divided into South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Asia and West Asia. China and Japan are part of East Asia. The People's Republic of China, which was established in 1949, is the largest country in the East Asia. It is also the fourth largest country in the world. It has the largest population in the world. It shares its border with 14 nations in Asia. China is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. China was ruled by many dynasties during the 19th and 20th century. China was ruled by the Manchu dynasty. China during Manchu rule became weak. China was called the sick man of Asia. It became a quasi-colony of the Western powers. The European countries came to China for trade and commerce. China called the Europeans as red barbarians. China imposed many restrictions on European traders. Hong Security Merchants was the institution that controlled the European trade, particularly the English and French did not like this. Slowly the English merchants introduced opium to the Chinese traders. In due course of time, China imported large quantities of opium. Opium eating became a national vice. Therefore, the Chinese government imposed rules to prohibit opium trade. The action of Commissioner Lin Se-Suhu led to First Opium War 1839 से 1842, in which England defeated China. The war came to an end with the Treaty of Nanking. In 1856, the Second Opium War took place. This time, Britain, France, USA and Russia fought against China. The war ended with the Treaty of Tianjin in 1860. Thus, the Eastern countries established their supremacy in China. China was partitioned into many economic zones controlled by Western powers. This is known as the cutting of the Chinese melon. Cutting China into many pieces, the failure of Manchu dynasty led to the Taiping Rebellion 1851-64 in China. It was led by Hun Suan. The rebellion was crushed. China was controlled by Queen Zhu He from 1860 से 1908 till her death. Zhu He's reactionary rule led to revolutionary movements in China. In 1894 से 1895, war broke out between China and Japan. This is known as the First Sino-Japanese War. The war was fought for the control of Korea. China was defeated in this war. This led to a Chinese revolt known as the Boxer Rebellion against the foreign domination of China. This rebellion was also suppressed with the help of Western countries. However, during this time, an intellectual emerged as the undisputed leader of China. He was Dr. Sun Yat-sen. He is known as the morning star of China. He mobilized young revolutionaries and started the 1911 revolution in China. This revolution ended the Manchu rule in China. New flag, new calendar were adopted. China for the first time became a republic. Yan Kai became the president of Chinese Republic during the First World War. Japan captured the Shantung province from China after the war. At the peace conference at Versailles, China wanted to get back her territory to Shantung province, but the Allied countries gave Shantung to Japan immediately. The May 4th movement started in China. Following this, once again Dr. Sun Yat-sen assumed control of China. He started the Kuomintang party. With the Russian help, he wanted to introduce reforms in China. It was during this period the Chinese Communist Party of China was started. Mao Zedong and Zhou Enlai were the original founding members of the Communist Party of China. In 1924, Dr. Sun Yat-sen passed away. The leadership of Kuomintang party was assumed by Chiang Kai-shek. In the beginning, there was an understanding between the Kuomintang and the communists, but soon both became rivals. Chiang wanted to exterminate Mao's Communist Party. Mao retired to northern China. It is known as the Long March. There the communists established their control. In 1945, the civil war broke out between the communists and the Kuomintang. Finally, Mao established the People's Republic of China in October 1949. Chiang Kai-shek fled to Taiwan, which is known as Nationalist China. During the Cold War era, the USA supported the Nationalist China, hence the Nationalist China became a member of the UNO until 1971. The People's Republic of China was admitted as a member in the UNO only in 1971. Mao Zedong introduced the economic reform known as the Great Leap Forward. In 1966, Mao launched the Cultural Revolution. During the Cultural Revolution, those who were against Mao were removed from Communist Party and imprisoned. After Mao's death in 1976, the Gang of Four were arrested. Following this, Deng Xiaoping quickly captured power from Mao's successor Hua Guofeng. Deng introduced many economic reforms, introducing the relaxation of government control over the Chinese economy. Thus, China moved from a planned economy to a mixed economy. As a result of changing economic scene, China formally joined the World Trade Organization in 2001. Japan was the only country which was not colonized by the European countries in Asia. Though it was geographically a small country, it became a powerful country. Japan, like the Western countries, followed a policy of imperialism in Asia. It possessed great military strength. Today, Japan is an economic giant. Japan followed a policy of isolation for more than those years. It was broken by Commodore Perry of USA on July 1853. His mission paved the way for Japan's trade with the West. During this period, the Tokugawa shoguns controlled Japan. Perry's mission led to the restoration of Japan's emperor to full authority. This is known as the Meiji Restoration. The Meiji Restoration had initiated many reforms in Japan. The feudal system was abolished. Western legal system was adopted. Constitutional monarchy, as in Britain, was introduced. According to the Meiji Constitution, Japan was fully modernized. Soon, Japan followed a policy of militarism and imperialism. Japan defeated China in 1894 से 1895. Subsequently, it defeated the biggest European country, Russia, in 1904. During the First World War, Japan captured the Chinese territory of Shantung, which was leased to Germany, and also imposed the demands on China. Thus, at the end of the First World War, Japan emerged as a superior military power. Hence, in order to control Japan's navy, the Washington Naval Conference was held in 1921, but this was only a temporary measure. In 1931, Japan invaded Manchuria and established a puppet regime. In 1937, once again, Japan invaded China. Finally, it joined with Germany and Italy and formed the Axis. In 1941, Japan attacked the Pearl Harbor, and the USA entered the Second World War in support of Britain and France and Russia. On August 6 and 9 August, 2 atom bombs were dropped by the USA on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Japan surrendered to the USA. General MacArthur and Emperor Hirohito. After the war, Japan was placed under control of Supreme Commander John Douglas MacArthur. The new constitution took effect on 3 May 1947. The United States and 45 other allied nations signed the San Francisco Peace Treaty in September 1951. Following the treaty, Japan was made an independent nation. Once again, from 1950 to 1980, Japan's history consists mainly of its rapid development into a major economic power. The USA provided the latest technology to Japan. Thus, Japan rapidly rebuilt its heavy industrial sector. Japan soon emerged as a significant power in many economic spheres, including steel making, car manufacturer, and manufacturer of electronic goods. Distinguishing characteristics of Japanese economy include the cooperation of manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, and banks in closely kin groups called Keiretsu emerged. For example, Mitsubishi, Sumitomo, Fuyo, Mitsui, Daiichi, Kangyo, and Sanwa are some of the powerful companies. Politically, the post-war Japan has been dominated by one party, the Liberal Democratic Party. The party remained practically invincible for almost half a century. Emperor Hirohito died in Nawasi and his son Akihito succeeded. In the 21st century, Japan emerged as a strong economic power. Japan is the only Asian country to be included in the group of developed countries. Japan is a member of the G8 group of developed countries. Learning outcomes of this chapter: the rise of modern China and brief history, the emergence of the People's Republic of China and role of Mao, the rise of modern Japan and its role in world politics, growth of Japan as an economic giant in 20th century. Thanks for watching.